Today I am going to talk about the 5 paragraphs composition that is used in an intermediate level. The 5 paragraph composition is a classic format to develop a writing, but it's not the only format that it can be used to develop a writing. There are other ways to develop a writing. Here I have a picture. Please look at the picture and write ideas about this picture. What do you see in the picture? Write anything about the picture. Okay, you should have written beach, boy, girl, sand, castle, sea, t-shirt, bathing suit, plane, sunny, waves, seashore, hat, relax, toys, sunglasses. These are some words that you probably have written down on your paper. After you have those words, you need to classify the words according to the categories. The categories that we have are experience, clothing, weather, place, others. Experience is plain, relax. In clothing we have t-shirt, bathing suit, sunglasses. In weather we have sunny, hat. Place we have beach, sea, seashore. And others we have boy, girl, sand, castle, wave toys. It will depend on the words you have written down or in the ones you have chosen. After you have write your words under each category, we have to make simple sentences. Remember that the structure of sentences is subject, verb, and complement. For example, the boy and the girl relax at the beach. They are building sand castles. The sea is blue. There are no waves. Here are some simple sentences that we have written down with the information that we have about the picture. Now describe the last time you went to the beach. Choose ideas presented before of writing new ideas. Remember that each paragraph is one idea. You should write at least 5 sentences in each paragraph. For example, I remember when I went to the beach in 2016. It was a terrific experience. I went with my family. We stayed for the weekend. We did several activities. We enjoyed our time on the beach. This will be our first paragraph. But remember, we need 5 paragraphs. So in my second paragraph, you are going to talk about your family you went with. In the third paragraph, the places you stayed and how many days. The activities you did in the fourth paragraph. And in the last paragraph or the fifth paragraph, you will restate your first paragraph, same idea, but using other words. After you have your first, your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth paragraphs, you will have to write your first draft, and you probably will be able to get some ideas from your classmates. And this will help to develop your first draft. Remember that you have to write 5 paragraphs. After you have the 5 paragraphs, you need to make corrections or add ideas according to your classmates' recommendations. Make sure you follow the checklist to help you improve your document. You need to make sure that you use proper capitalizations. Are verbs used correctly? Do subject and verb agree? Is punctuation accurate? It is complete? Do sentences include subject, verb, complement? After you have checked if your writing had answered all these questions, you probably have your work edited. And after you have all your classmates' recommendations included in your paper, you can go to the next step, that it will be your final product. In your final product, remember to include a picture of a time you went to the beach. Be creative on the font and size of the fonts. Make it appealing with nice colors. Remember that in a writing you need to be creative. You need to use your imagination. You need to make sure that what you are telling or what you are trying to tell in your writing is what the others will understand. Because sometimes we can make mistakes and probably the reader will understand in another way, not in the way you want to transmit your message. So please make sure that everything you have right is in the correct way so the readers have the same idea as you planning to transmit. Use the steps that I have given you in this video to write the 5-paragraph document. It is not difficult. Just follow the paragraphs, choose the words that describe, separate them under each category. After you have separated them, remember to write simple sentences and that you need 5 sentences to each paragraph, and you will need 5 paragraphs. After you have the 5 paragraphs, remember that you need to make sure that answer the questions that you need to check in order to make sure that the writing is edited. And in the final product, remember to include a time on the beach when you were in the beach. Thank you. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and that information that I have presented on this video, it is important and it will be helpful for you. Thank you again. Have a good day.